How to create multi-bootable pendrive. To create a multi-bootable pendrive, you can use a tool like Rufus or Yumi. Here are the steps to create a multi-bootable pendrive using Rufus. 1. Download and install Rufus from the official website. 2. Insert your pendrive into the computer. 3. Open Rufus and select your pendrive from the device drop-down menu. 4. Under the boot selection section, click on the select button and choose the ISO file of the first operating system you want to install. 5. Configure the other settings like partition scheme, file system, and cluster size according to your requirements. 6. Click on the Start button to begin the process. Rufus will format the pendrive and copy the ISO file onto it, making it bootable. 7. Once the process is complete, repeat steps 4-6 for each additional operating system you want to add to the pendrive. Alternatively, you can use Yumi, your universal multi-boot installer, to create a multi-bootable pendrive. Here are the steps. 1. Download and install Yumi from the official website. 2. Insert your pendrive into the computer. 3. Open Yumi and select your pendrive from the Step 1 inches drop-down menu. 4. Under Step 2 inches, select the first operating system you want to install from the list of supported distributions. 5. Click on the Browse button and select the ISO file of the selected operating system. 6. Configure any additional settings if required. 7. Click on the Create button to begin the process. Yumi will format the pendrive and copy the ISO file onto it, making it bootable. 8. Repeat steps 4-7 for each additional operating system you want to add to the pendrive. Remember to properly select the bootable operating system from the pendrive's boot menu when starting your computer.